The World Bank has recently estimated India's growth rate to be what percent in the financial year 2025? It's 6.6%, option B. Who has recently been reappointed as the Principal Secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Dr. Pramod Kumar Mishra, option B. He had served as additional Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister during 2014 to 19 also. Who has been selected as the next MD of Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited? Mr. Praveen Kumar, option C. DFCCIL is a public sector undertaking (PSU) under the Ministry of Railways. He has been recommended for the post by the Public Enterprises Selection Board panel. DFCCIL was founded on 30th October 2006. With whom has the Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts signed an agreement to promote Indian art and culture? Sansad TV, option B. Under the agreement, under the agreement, programs produced by IGNCA will be telecasted on Sansad TV, and Sansad TV will also have access to content from IGNCA's cultural archives. On behalf of IGNCA, Dr. Sachidanand Joshi and Sansad TV CEO Rajat Punhani signed the agreement. From which company the Indian Army has introduced indigenous drone Nagastra 1. Economics Explosives Limited, option A. The Indian Army has placed an order with Economics Explosives Limited, a subsidiary of Solar Industries, for the supply of 480 loiter munitions under an emergency purchase agreement, signaling the readiness of indigenous defense capabilities. Who is the ICC Women's Player of the Month for May 2024? It's Chamari Attapattu of Sri Lanka. Option B. Who is the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2024? Gudakesh Moti of West Indies. Option D. Who has been elected first Vice Chair of the International Chamber of Commerce? Shri Harshpati Singhania. Option A. The election took place during the World Council meeting on 11 June 2024 in Paris of France. The International Chamber of Commerce is the largest, most representative business organization in the world. The current chair of ICC is Maria Fernanda Garza, and the current Secretary General is John W. H. Denton AO. Its headquarters is in Paris of France and it was founded in year 1919. Which country is the second largest nitrous oxide emitter by volume in the world? India, option B. The top 5 emitters by volume of anthropogenic nitrous oxide emissions in 2020 were China, India, USA, Brazil, and Russia. The per capita emissions for the top 5 emitters are 1.3 of China, zero point 0.8 of India, 1.7 of USA, 2.5 of Brazil, and 3.3 is of Russia. It's measured in kgN2O per person. The nitrous oxide is a greenhouse gas that heats up the atmosphere far more than carbon dioxide. Who has become the first Indian rider to win a 3-star Grand Prix event? Shruti Vora, option D. In a historic achievement for Indian equestrian sports, Shruti Vora has become the first Indian rider to win a three-star Grand Prix event. The CDI 3 event was held in Lipika of Slovenia from 7th to 9th June. Who has won the 2024 FIDE Women's World Junior Chess Championship? Divya Deshmukh, option A. And in boys section, Kazibek Nojebek has won the 2024 FIDE Women's World Junior Chess Championship. Book named I Have the Streets, A Kuti Cricket Story is written by blank. By both A and B, option D, R. Ashwin and Mr. Siddharth Monga. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.